Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on pausing your YouTube search history and watch history on the iOS YouTube app for iPhone and iPad. Doing this will stop YouTube from saving any of your searches and won't save any of your watch history from then on. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Launch the YouTube app and make sure you are logged in to your account. Tap your profile from the top right of the screen. Open Settings from the bottom of the list. Now, in the settings, scroll down until you see the History and Privacy settings. Here you can pause the watch history and search history by tapping the relevant buttons and then confirming your decision. YouTube will no longer save your searches or watch history. If you want your YouTube to be completely clean, then you should also clear the previous watch history and search history here. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more iOS tips and tricks.